In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an action in the Mautic campaign builder. First, start by logging into your Mautic account. Once you're in, head to the campaigns section. This is where all your existing campaigns are listed, and it's the hub for building and refining your automation. Find the campaign you want to work on and select it. If you have many, you can use the search or filters to locate it quickly. With your campaign open, click on Edit Campaign. This takes you into the area where you can make changes without affecting the structure until you're ready. From here, choose Launch Campaign Builder. The Campaign Builder is Mautic's visual canvas where you can connect steps, set logic, and create the flow your contacts will follow. At this point, you'll be asked to select a trigger or source. Think of this as the starting point. How contacts enter the campaign. A source might be a segment they belong to or a form they submit. Pick the one that best matches how you want people to enter the journey. Once your entry point is set, click the plus sign on the canvas. This is how you add the next element in your flow. When prompted, you'll see 3 categories to choose from: decision, action, or condition. For this tutorial, choose action. Here's a quick way to think about them. A decision checks for behavior, like whether someone opened an email. A condition checks for data, like a field value or tag. And an action does something to or for the contact. After selecting action, choose the specific action you want to implement. Common options include changing the contact stage to reflect their lifecycle progress, sending an email to nurture or follow up, adding or removing a tag to keep your segmentation clean, or adjusting points if you're scoring engagement. When you pick an action like send an email, you'll typically see configuration options such as which email to send and when to send it. Take a moment to review these settings so the action behaves exactly as you intend. You can repeat this process to build out the rest of your path, but for now, you've successfully added an action in the campaign builder. That's the core flow. Log in, navigate to campaigns, open your campaign, edit it, launch the builder, choose how contacts enter, click the plus sign, select action, and then pick the action that fits your goal.